my name is Jackie Kane. I'm a naturalist here at Etowah Mounds, and today, as part of our eRanger series, I'm going to be telling you guys how to make these do-it-yourself seed bombs for Earth Day. So they're really easy to make. I just shredded up a bunch of paper. I also added in some blue and green construction paper so it would kind of resemble the Earth. And then I put it in this large bowl, covered it in water, and I let it soak for a couple of hours. So essentially what you're doing is making a type of paper mache that you can kind of squish together, and it's going to hold all of those seeds. So with me I've got these marigold seeds. So these are just actually the dried heads of a marigold plant. So you can actually do this at home if you have some sort of plant that has a seed base to it. It's a little bit windy. You can dry these out and put these in your kind of paper mache mixture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shred up the top of this marigold flower, get all of the seeds out of it, kind of mix it in with my paper mache mixture, and then I'm going to grab a handful. We're going to squeeze all of the water that we can out. So we've got all of that paper, those marigold seeds, and we're squeezing all of that water out. You want it as compact as you can get it so it turns into paper mache and makes that kind of seed bomb. So this one's all ready to go. So you can go ahead and plant it as it is. It's nice and wet. It's already watered for you. So you can get your planter, get some dirt, cover it up. Those seeds are going to grow, or you can do what I did with this one and dry it out in the sun. So it probably takes a good day to dry it out and make it in this solid shape. And you can store these for a long time, so they'll be ready to plant whenever you are. Thanks for joining us for this eRanger video, and check out our Facebook page for more videos.